Hey everybody, game time. I have waited and waited. I feel like I've waited forever. I have opened so much 2018 Stars and Stripes. It seemed like 19 would never come, but here it is. The day's arrived. I've got 2 brand new boxes, and I'm going to open one right now. 8 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. Just like last year, find 5 auto or mems per box. So it's not a long break, but it is a break that is loaded with hits. There are tons of odds there, if anybody can read those. It's a 100 card set, which I think was the same as last year. 97 base cards, 3 checklists. I've pulled some crazy stuff out of this product, and I hope I do again. Buttons and all kinds of goodies. So here's our packs. None of them are too thick, so I think there's probably not a button. Hopefully we get some on-card autographs. Alright, let's check these out. So I guess this is the base card. Tanner Burns, Jared Kalenic, CJ Abrams, Tyree Reed, Matthew Liberatore, Connor Scott Longevity Parallel. That is an on card. Max Meyer out of $4.99, and Matt Cronin also on card out of $4.99. So 2 hits already out of 1 pack. Jake McCarthy, Yohandy Morales, Matt Cronin, Pete Crow Armstrong, Zach Thompson, Bobby Witt Jr., Will Wilson. That is a really big piece of jersey material, and it is a little bit dirty at the bottom. That's neat. It's numbered out of $2.99. So just a plain white swatch, but it's big and it's dirty, so that's cool. The last card was a Riley Cornelio Longevity Parallel. Joseph Brown, Ethan Hankins, Jacob Medor, I think, Shea Langoliers, Andrew Painter, a checklist Longevity Parallel, Luke Leto auto jersey out of $1.99. Good looking card. And a Bobby Witt Jr. Longevity Parallel. Graham Stinson, Gage Zile, I guess, John Doxakis. Wow, that's a tough one. There's Bryce Terang, Dylan Cruz, another checklist. Mason Fettel, or is that Fettel? No, Fiol. Another autographed jersey to $1.99. Sticker auto. Anthony Volpe, Longevity Parallel. The last pack. Max Meyer, Nick Madrigal, Bryant Packard, CJ Abrams, Zach Watson, Seth Beer, a Josh Jung Longevity Parallel, and our last hit is Adley Rutschman. Anyways, it's a bat, and it's numbered out of 49. If you remember last year, the bat pieces were harder to come by than the jersey pieces, so may be the case again since this is numbered out of 49. So I think we might ended up with an extra hit. We've got this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, often it was the case last year, get an extra hit. So Pretty cool. Alright, that's one box. I've got another one, so watch for that to be posted soon. Everybody take care.